I couldn't tell if the last game that I was in was a fucking bot lobby or if they were just like all cheating. I have no clue. Maybe I just got into 100% bot lobby. I don't know. But this game I hope is a lot more entertaining because holy fuck, bro. I'm gonna post it and I'm gonna just let y'all wonder about that game. Actually, I wasn't going to, but now I am. Now I'm talking about it, Mike.
UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is
What are
standing
you
by.
coming here for? Why are you not just...
UAV online.
I don't know, wouldn't it have been logical to like just try to...
Enemy contact.
We've taken the lead.
Okay.
Target down. Target's in sight. Enemy down.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
I missed. Yes, I missed.
UAV online.
I can admit this.
Tango down.
What? No.
Enemy down.
There was somebody upstairs. I thought I was just bugging out.
We've taken the lead.
Target's in sight.
UAV
Enemy
recon
down.
standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
Tango down.
We've taken the lead.
Tango
Airstrike
down.
is ready.
Okay, so this game is kind of better. I still am
Contact
not
with
sure
enemy.
if these guys are
Tango
bots,
down.
real or bots. And honestly, if they are real, then that's good. That's a good
Friendly
thing because that
airstrike
means I'm not
incoming.
facing fake players. I did hear that like bots were a problem in this game for a while. They got rid of them.
Target's in sight. Enemy down.
I mean, I don't know, but the next game will I'll probably record like 2, maybe 3 more games depending on how fast they end. I don't know, cause that game ended pretty fast.
Nice work. Well done.
It's gonna be like a tour day rank 1 again, cause I might as well record it since I didn't record it the first time. Alright, so the game has started, and I think that I made like a very good setup with this gun.
Hard point identified.
I'm not sure, but I think so.
Tango down.
Hard point locked down. Hard point contested.
Oh, damn. Well, this is definitely a good setup. I wasn't lying when I said I thought I made a good one.
Hard point contested.
Tango down.
Boy, this thing's gonna be deadly.
Flash out.
Hard point is ours. Hard point contested.
Turn around.
Hostiles have captured the hard point. UAV recon standing by. UAV recon is standing by. Hard point
That's how you play an angle. Right there. That's how you play a fucking angle. Leave me alone. Please don't ever swarm me like that again.
The hard point.
Target down.
Hard point locked down. Hard point contested. Hard point lost. Airstrike is ready.
Shot.
Are you alive?
Enemy down.
VTOL on standby. Hard point is ours.
Ah, damn. He's in the corner? Why did he take so long to shoot me?
Hard point contested. VTOL inbound. Hostiles capture the hard point.
Man, y'all gotta come
Hostile
out.
hunter killer drone inbound.
I really do not care.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Like a bitch.
Locked down. Hard point identified. Capture the objective. Hostiles have the hard point.
Target down.
Hard point is ours.
Couldn't get no kills with that bitch because the bitch wasn't fucking letting them spawn in. I guess.
Enemy down.
Hard point contested. We've taken the lead. UAV recon ready for deployment.
Ew. Ew, 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 ew. Ew. I just sensed. I have sense. I hate dogs. I just automatically shoot any dog that I
Enemy
see.
down.
This game has traumatized me.
Hard
I hope
point
I don't shoot my
identified.
dog.
Capture the objective.
That'd be really bad. If I ever get a dog.
Hard
I
point
mean, this game has
locked
made me
down.
more of a bad person. Definitely more of a
Taking the
fucking
lead.
bad person. What the
Hard point contested.
Target down.
Hard point contested. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV
Somebody
online.
should be here in 3. No, no. I don't want to waste the shot. So
Hard
please.
point contested.
Okay.
Tango down.
Okay.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
Yes.
We've taken the lead.
Target down.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Airstrike is
Tango
ready.
down.
Hard point contested.
I'll just
Friendly
give them a
airstrike
chance.
incoming.
You know? Might as well.
Capture the objective. Predator missile inbound. Hard point is ours.
Enemy.
Awaiting order.
Got another feat. Okay. So this setup is definitely fucking insane. Holy shit.
Target's in sight.
Thank you for all of the likes. I wish I could type check out my fucking YouTube channel, but I can't.
Just another day. Good job.
You get a like, holy fuck. Damn, I got what? 42 and 4. Okay. Next game. I've been using the fucking PPSH all game. I mean all day. I want to use my Winchester. I want to use it.
Enemy in sight. Enemy down.
Oh, I missed just by a little bit.
We lost the lead.
Teammate, what are you looking at? What are you doing? Why are you throwing flashes at places that don't need to be flashed? Fuck. Boom. Ah, you're just gonna walk in front of my fucking bullet like that. You know what? I'm not losing this game just because I want to have fun. Because my teammates are just gonna make me lose. So this has turned into a CRX game.
Lost the lead.
A double headshot, you're not dead. Yes. Oh, he's walling. He is walling.
Sniper!
Bring it up, squad.
Just wiped your team.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. UAV recon.
Just be nice.
UAV online. Hunter-killer drone on standby. Predator missile on
Pissed me off, so I hope you enjoy what happens.
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
What? You're telling me my hunter killer didn't kill him? Sure, buddy.
Pick it up, team.
Lock. Please. I can't have a team on my back all the time, bro. Look at what? There's no shot. He just was able to get behind my teammates. You, because they're gonna be a problem. And I'm just going to assume you're still here.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. Lost the lead.
Fuck you.
Hostile care package inbound.
Enemy.
You ran through smoke with a dog.
Hostile hunter-killer
This is a loss. My team is feed. My feeders. My feeders.
lost the lead.
Target down.
My fucking feeders. Can't even call them my teammates. My feeders.
Tango down.
UAV recon standing
Changing
by.
mag.
Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hunter-killer ready for deployment.
Headshot.
Predator missile.
There's nothing I
awaiting
could have
orders.
done there. It was
Smoke
just
out.
like a bad series of events. But hey,
Predator missile.
3 field kills. 1 free kill, allegedly, somehow. I have no clue.
Friendly hunter-killer drone
Please, teammates, still win this. Stop fucking dying.
Changing mag. Cover me. Boom. Headshot.
Lost the lead. Hostile Guardian in your AO.
Enemy down.
Distracted.
UAV
They're
recon
distracted.
for deployment.
They're all distracted.
Hunter-killer
Motherfucker.
drone.
You're just gonna hold that hit close.
Hunter-killer drone deployed. We're failing this mission.
Enemy down.
Lost the lead.
I didn't even know I was there. Oh, the thing shows, I forgot. Well, I'm angry. Because this wasn't even my fault. It's my teammates' fault. Of course, you only peeked that because you were confident in your fucking cheats! Your cheat! He's cheating! It finally comes out. Bro, what was that? You had no sight of me. No shot. I was gonna say he was confident in his butt buddy, but that just like screams cheats. I don't know what does it. Holy fuck. Maybe I'm wrong.
Defeated. Don't let this happen again.
Maybe I'm fucking wrong. Let me go to the next. Oh, nigga, since I can't have fun in this game, nobody gets to have fun in this fucking game. Put on the scar. Doing it. Fucking doing it. Cause why not do it? And I keep grenades on the scar class for a reason. Fuck out my face. You fuck out my face. Especially you. Fuck out my face. You too. Fuck out my face. Teammate can kill you. Don't care. I just did all of that to prove a point. The point proven has been proved.
You've taken the lead.
Oh, you're up here? I smell you.
Target down.
Ah, that's why you die, because you run around with your knife. Angel Cronus? Yeah. I know that doesn't say Cronus, I'm just fucking with it. Come on, teammate. Move, teammate.
Enemy in sight.
We've taken the lead.
What? Oh. He's just hiding. Go.
Grenade out. Tango down.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
God damn it.
Hunter killer drone on standby. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
My drone just like shit itself. I only seen him. I only noticed him because I saw my drone like veered to the side.
Watch out!
No, because you're up there, corny, and you put on the scar because I got the scar. Why's my teammate up here? Do you not know what turning around is? Do you only have tunnel vision? Motherfucker. Why do they keep spawning back there? Just give them grace every time.
Grenade. Target down.
I'm gonna kill these niggas with the deagle just because I fucking feel like, oh, bitch. Called on your dog. Oh, dog, bitch boy. Put on the dog because it's a free kill, bro. You're lucky I got flashed from fuck nowhere.
Or I headshotted you.
Enemy UAV spotted.
And it did nothing. What? I thought the deagle was supposed to be the end all be all pistol. That's some fucking dumb nutty shit. We're just gonna lose because they have dogs. They're running around with dogs, hiding in buildings, because they're scared to lose their KD.
Hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
You're so garbage. Cause I literally thought you went to the other direction. Like, and he's just sitting in the corner waiting. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Grenade.
Bitch! Bro, the game just protects idiots. See, I swear to God.
Tango down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't have time because the nigga's running. Whoa. Okay, you're dead. You're dead. So that gets rid of those 2 corny fucks.
We're almost there.
Okay.
Keep it up.
Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Of course. Come on, watch these 2 fuckers. Trying to stop them from sniping my teammates. Off the map. Oh, we won. Okay. Thank God. I need food. Sustenance is required. I want noodles. I want noodles really bad.
Nice work. Well done.
Thank you. Everybody gets a like. Everybody gets likes. I did not mean to send you a request. Please don't accept that. Please do not accept that, because I had to carry my fucking ass off. I hate this shit. I'm done for the day. I want to get on console.